Hello everyone, my name is Irina and I am going to be your Russian teacher for today. Our first class is going to be very simple. We are going to start with the pronouns. You see the pronouns right here. I'm going to read them to you and you're going to repeat, and we are going to practice a lot. Are you ready? I know you're ready. Okay, let's get started. Number one, я. Say it. Я. You can see the transcription right here, and the translation is I. Я. Say it. Good job. Next one. Ты. It's not E. It's something you don't know yet. Probably you don't have it in your language. You need to put the jaw to the front. Ты. Try it. Ты. Well done. Good job. So, я, ты. Say it. Good job. Okay, so now we know I and you. You see the transcription right here. Next one is on. Okay? You see it right here. It's a he. On. Я. Ты. Он. Say it. Good job. Next one. Она. Well, I hope you know how to read in the Russian language. There is no rule which syllable is stressed. So each time when I talk, you need to remember that A is stressed. So it's она. Also, one little rule. If we have O in the word, but O is not stressed, you see, A is stressed. So when we pronounce in the speech, we don't say O, we say она. Yes, we write O, but we pronounce A. Она. Good. So now close your eyes. Say I in the Russian language. Я. Say you in the Russian language. Ты. Say he in the Russian language. Он. Good job. And say she in the Russian language. Она. Я. Ты. Он. Она. Try to remember how it's written. We have two more to go. In the Russian language, we have a neutral form. How to know which gender is what? Like whiteboard, a table, a girl. There is no rule. No, we have each different item has a gender. A table is masculine, whiteboard is feminine, I am feminine, my shirt is feminine too, the TV set is masculine. So we cannot recognize the gender, you have to remember. If I tell you the whiteboard is feminine, remember it's она. If I tell you that a table is masculine, then say on. All right? Great. Look at you. You did a great job. Like it. Okay. Я, ты, он, она. So we have a neutral form. Usually we don't have too many words that are neutral, but we will have them, and it's оно. And you know that if one O is not stressed, then it's Ano, right? It's not like oh, it's not it's ano. Ano. Neutral form. Also, you will have to remember the words. Like, for example, window is neutral and window is ano. And the word it in the English language, which shows the item, right? In the Russian language, we have a gender to each item, but it can categorize everyone. For example, you can introduce someone. This is or it is Irina. So you will use это. And this is stressed. Это. And also, if O is not stressed, you can say это. 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 This, and that. So basically, this or that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words for today. It's я, ты, он, она, оно, это. Good. One more time. Я, ты, он, она, оно, это. Good job. Your task for today, yes, your homework will be to take little sheets of paper and try to write down all these words by heart. Do it. And try to write it so it will be easier for you to remember. Thank you for watching this video. We finished for today. We'll learn the words. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to take private classes, you can send me a personal email. You'll see it right here. And also you can find my Skype and ask for classes. And I am making my brand new video course for the Russian language. My website is gonna be russianwithirina.org. We are making it right now, and when it's made, you're welcome. I love you guys. Bye.